Angle in standard position. What is an angle in standard position? An angle in standard position is one that is drawn on the rectangular coordinate system such that its vertex coincides with the origin and its initial side lies on the positive side of the x-axis. So the rectangular coordinate system is a system for plotting points, for assigning coordinates to points on the plane, for sketching curves or sketching the graphs of functions with the help of the real number line. So we have two axes. We have the horizontal axis, okay, we call it the x-axis, and we have the vertical axis, which we call the y-axis, but these axes are actually real number line. So this one is, the x-axis is a real number line that is horizontal, and the y-axis is a real number line that is vertical, and they intersect at 0. This is called the origin. Our two axes divides our plane into 4 quadrants, and we name them counterclockwise. So this one is what we call the first quadrant, the second quadrant, the third quadrant, and the fourth quadrant. So how do we draw our angle in standard position? Well, we begin with our vertex and we draw it there, right there at the origin. And then we draw our initial side along the positive side of the x-axis, and then we rotate. We rotate it to produce the terminal side of your angle. We can rotate the angle counterclockwise, or we can also rotate our angle clockwise. When our rotation is counterclockwise, we say that the angle is a positive angle. So this one, alpha, is equal to 142.34 degrees. So that means it is a positive angle because we rotated the initial side counterclockwise. When we rotate it clockwise, that's when we produce a negative angle. So this one, for example, is an angle whose angle measure is negative 135 degrees. And we do it when our rotation is clockwise rotation. An angle in standard position is said to be in a particular quadrant if its terminal side lies in that quadrant. So we have 4 quadrants. So this angle, for example, an angle with degree measure negative 135 degrees, is a quadrant 3 angle because its terminal side is located in the 3rd quadrant. This one, angle A, whose degree measure is 68 degrees, its terminal side is in the 1st quadrant, so we say that this angle is a quadrant 1 angle. But sometimes the terminal side falls on the axis. So this one is a 90-degree angle in standard position. So when the terminal side lies in the axis, we just say that that angle is a quadrantal angle. So this one is a 90-degree angle. That is a quadrantal angle. A straight angle, one that has a degree measure of 180 degrees, is also a quadrantal angle.